Want to learn how to link Instagram to Facebook? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. Make sure to get both of the apps, that is Facebook and Instagram. And yes, get logged into both of the apps' particular account that you want to link, or either you can get logged in later as well. Now tap on this Instagram. Make sure to get logged in just like me. Now tap on this profile icon on the bottom right. This will take you to your own profile. Now tap on these 3 straight paddle lines on the top right corner. Tap on settings on the top. Tap on account below ads. Scroll down. Tap on sharing to other apps below contact syncing. Choose Facebook, that is on the top. So if you want to continue as this particular account, you can continue as this particular account, but if not, you can tap on not new below. And then enter your mobile number or email address. Let me do it. When you're done doing it, tap on login below. And then tap on continue as this particular person on the top. Tap on continue on the bottom if you're done with all of this and if you want to connect particular Instagram with this particular Facebook account. Tap on yes, finish, shut up, above not now. You can see that you have just turned on Facebook sharing and you have successfully linked both of the accounts. So you can start sharing to Facebook. Tap on start sharing to Facebook, just like this. So you can see that your Facebook and Instagram has been linked and both of them has been connected. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.